Hello everyone, I'm Sharik and in today's video I'm going to talk about English phonetics and more specifically about consonant sounds. Let's begin. First, let's talk about phonetics. It's important to note that the English alphabet includes 26 letters, while the sound system of English contains 44 phonemes. Okay, but what is phonetics? Phonetics is the physical manifestation of language in sound waves and how they are produced, perceived, and transmitted, and also creates methods for their description, classification, and transcription. Something to clarify about consonants is that we got voiced and voiceless phonemes. When the vocal cords are close to each other, the air from the lungs continuously pushes them apart as if passes through, creating a vibration. Sounds produced in this way are described as voiced. When the vocal cords are spread apart, the air from the lungs passes between them unblocked. Sounds produced in this way are described as voiceless. So this is an example of voiced and voiceless sounds. I made a little spoiler about the topic, but I wanted to show you the differences because these two phonemes belong to the same category, plosives. However, one of them is voiced and the other one is voiceless. So put your fingers in your throat so you can feel the vibration. When you say d, from door, dog, you can feel your vocal cords vibrate. But when you pronounce from time in 10, you can't feel that vibration because that is voiceless. So I can give you all the aspects and characteristics of each phoneme. However, I made a color code so you can identify which of them are voiced and which ones are voiceless. So the voiced are going to be red and the voiceless are going to be blue. This is the consonant classification. So we have five categories of 5 groups or consonant sounds. The first one is nasals, the second one plosives, the third one fricatives, the fourth one is affricates, and the last one is approximates. We are going to see each one of them. Let's begin. The first group is nasals. These are called nasals because the outgoing air stream passes through the nose instead of the mouth. So these ones are the nasals. You can see that all of them are voiced. So we got The last one is pronounced when an N appears before a K or a G. Now let's read some examples. Mirror, monkey, lamp, magnet, jam, man. Nails, banana, 10, pen, 9, nails. Flying, ring, sink, think, monk, hunger. Now let's talk about plosives. You will notice that while saying these sounds, the air pressure is built up because of the blocking of airstream coming out of your lungs by closing at some point your mouth. The blocked air is suddenly released to produce a plosive sound. So think of these consonants as an explosion of sounds. Let's pronounce these plosive sounds. We got p, p, voiceless, b, b, t, t, d, d, k, k, g, g. And here are some examples that you can use to practice. Pen, ball, lamp, bed, bottle, ball, 10, tear, truck, deer, head, drop, clothes, car, kite, gate, jug, bag. Let's move on to fricatives. This sound is produced by the continued flow of air through a tight passage of the mouth by placing the two organs of speech very close together. Think of it as a friction sound. Okay, remember the color code. So in fricatives, we got b, b, d, d, z, z, sh, sh, y, y. Now, let's read some examples. Fan, family, fingers, base, liver, veins, teeth, path, thumb, clothes, this, feather, soap, caps, sofa, zip, hymns, rose, helmet, horses, hair, shoe, ship, push, treasure, garage, vision. Now the fourth group is affricates, and this is a combination of plosive manners and nasal manners. So these sounds are also produced by blocking the airstream like the plosives. However, the release of air is gradual and not sudden like in plosives. So in affricates we have what I call the yucca sound because it is similar to our own Y sound, and the other one it's our own CH sound in Spanish. So let's see some examples so you can understand better. Switch, share, shame, jam, jug, vegetables. This is the final group, the approximants. These are also called the semivowels. A semivowel is a vowel glide in which the tongue glides from one position to another while pronouncing the phoneme. However, the semivowel function as a consonant in the English speech. So these are the four phonemes from this category, approximants. You can see that they're all voiced, and for better practice we are going to read the examples. So we have wall, whistle, watch, yes, young man, yellow, river, rose, rain, lamp, bottle, lip. Well, this is all of the consonant sounds. I left below some links where you can practice because this topic is only about practice and practice and practice. So here's the practice page. You can see that there is a lot of exercise that you can use if you want to practice this topic of consonants. So I hope this video helped you, and I hope this was useful for you. You can go back and take screenshots, whatever you need, so you can focus and understand completely this subject. Thank you so much, and see you next time.